how to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that will allow you to generate from $200 to upward to $2,000 per month just by using Google Maps and Fiverr.com. And you will not need to learn any skill whatsoever, and you will not need to have any capital or any money to start with. So guys, let's get into it and let's explain the method for you. So basically guys, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the market that you're going to work on. So for me, I like to work on the United States because it's the best market that you can work on, and they have the best currency, even though they are not the best country, but that's irrelevant to what we're going to learn in today's video. So guys, we're going to choose a state that we're going to work on, and after we choose the state, then we're going to search for the local businesses, and preferably the small local businesses in those areas. For example, hairdressers, gyms, martial arts gyms, also the hairstylists, auto repairing, plumbers, and all of those businesses are our target. So what we're going to do is we're going to see their profile in this website and see if they have a website. If they have one, we're going to check if the website needs a renovation, and we can offer that. And also we can check the reviews that they have. If they have any bad review, if it's just one bad review, we can also offer to remove that review for them, because it's very hard to remove that review. A lot of people don't know how to do that. And also we're going to see if they need any help with their social media profile management, or if they need marketing to showcase their business and the services that they offer in order to get more clients. And as I said, you will not need any skill or any capital or any money to start with, because we're going to find the business, pitch them our idea, and when we're getting paid, because you will get paid before you start working, but when you get paid, you will take that money and you will go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing website that you would like to work with. Then you will search for the service that you're going to do for these businesses. So for example, if you want to make them rank in Google Maps citation for local SEO, you can hire this one. For example, if you get paid $100 minimum, $100 from a small business, you just go to Fiverr and pay the freelancer $25 to do the job instead of you doing it, and then you will be left with $75 without even learning any skill, or without even risking your money. So the hardest part in this method is finding or closing the first client. So just be patient and be disciplined. After you close your first client, it will be easy to get more clients. So here I'm going to show you how you can find the businesses or the perfect businesses that might have more opportunity to close. So here let's choose Wyoming State, for example, and here let's choose a city. In here let's choose Jeffrey City, for example. Here let's choose Jeffrey City, and let's go to the search and let's type, for example, plumbers. Let's search for plumber, and let's see all of the plumbers that are available in this state. So here we have plumber near me LLC, and it has 142 reviews. So guys, make sure to choose just the ones with less than 100 reviews, and also the ones that doesn't have a website preferably. And if you can't find those, you can just go for the ones with websites and check if they need, if their website is old and it needs renovation. So here let's scroll to see if we can find someone with less reviews, like this one. Very bad stars and reviews. So let's check this one. Systems plumbing. He's a contractor and this is his website. So let's check this website. Just from the get-go you will see that this is a very bad website. It's very old. Project management expertise, homeowners, careers, about, contact. So this is a very bad website. Let's see his contact. You can't even find anywhere to contact him. He just has his number on the website, not his email or anything like that. Here we can find the email in here, so that's good. You can send the pitch by emailing them. So here let's go back to see all of the problems that they have. The first problem that they have is renovating their website, and also they have a lot of 1-star reviews. This is the plumbing company that handles warranty work for my home. They aren't answering their phone or responding to messages. I have been trying to get through all morning. My builder has tried calling. I have no hot water. It's been nearly a week. Don't worry for this company. They don't know the meaning of professionalism or integrity. Will screw you as soon as they get the opportunity. Let's see the more reviews. So these two are very bad reviews, and that's what we're going to use to convince them to purchase our service, which is getting rid of the bad reviews. So here from now we find two problems that this business has. So we're going to send them an email and we're going to use these two problems and we're going to make them show, or to make them even bigger than what the thought of these problems. We will see that these problems prevent them from getting more clients and it ruins their reputation. If they need to get rid of them, we will just do it for $150 or $200. After we close them, we will pay the freelancer in Fiverr. Then we will get paid. We will keep the last of the money. So that's it for this method, guys. I hope you understand the method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.